Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving this is your device and protecting your data. Once you have proof of purchase and a backup, make sure the battery is above 50%. Then go straight to Settings, Security or Biometrics, and authenticate with the device PIN or password. That lets you edit biometric data. Remove registered fingerprints from the Fingerprint or Touch ID menu. Doing it this way preserves accounts and avoids resets, because you're removing the biometric layer under your existing authentication. If you can't enter the PIN, the next step is account-based recovery. For iPhone, use iCloud and your Apple ID to unlock or erase after signing in. For Android, use Find My Device and your Google account to secure or erase the phone. First, recover the account password and two-factor methods. Once you sign in, you can remove biometrics or perform a controlled erase. Don't use unknown third-party bypasses. They risk data loss or bricking and often violate terms. When all else fails, a factory reset is the final, lawful option. But do this only after backing up, because it erases data. Use the official recovery mode procedure from the manufacturer and ensure you know the linked account credentials to disable activation lock afterward. If the device is activation locked or hardware blocked, contact an authorized service center and present proof of ownership. If things go wrong, first sign into the original account, update the OS, restart the device, and then retry the safe steps above.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.